Tarik nafas.
I will run, I will
Tahan.
climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated.
Lama juga So apa jadi bila korang tahan nafas tu? Boleh tahan tak? At one point berapa lama korang boleh tahan? Berapa lama? 1 minute? Tak sampai 1 minute kan? 30 second. Yang world punya record is 6 minit dia boleh tahan. So apa yang I nak relatekan kat sini ni, in order for you to survive, you need oxygen, betul? Okay? And what is oxygen in this business, in unit trust industry, is prospecting. The moment you join this business, you need to know that your main task is to do prospecting. Kalau you keluar, the moment you keluar early in the morning, you kena make sure yang in order for you to be productive, you need to do prospecting. Dekat sini prospecting ada 2. Okay? And especially for UTC is, you need to go and do prospecting lah. Kita ada macam-macam cara prospecting kan. Kita boleh pergi buat FTF, face to face lah kan. Kita boleh buat cold calling, kita boleh pergi buat table to table. Okay? And for agency supervisor, you dah boleh recruit. So the other prospecting method for agency supervisor and above, you need to do recruitment. There are only 2 things. Okay, I nak share something about Pareto law. Siapa yang pernah dengar about Pareto law? 80-20 principle. Kamu pernah dengar kan? Okay, about 80-20 principle ni, 80% of the output comes from 20% of the input. 80% of the causes come from the 20% of the effects. 80% of the effects come from the 20% of the causes. So maknanya dekat sini, you ada 20 hours per day, kan? Every day you all, kita semua diberi masa yang sama. Kita semua ada 24 jam sehari. So dalam masa 24 jam tu, okay, you tengok balik, the moment you balik rumah, you tengok balik betul-betul your daily punya schedule tu, berapa persen je yang betul-betul you buat and you boleh produktif. You ada sejam pergi makan, tolak waktu solat, tolak pergi minum kopi, tolak driving lagi. So kalau you count betul-betul, sebenarnya cuma you mungkin ada dalam 2 hours to 3 hours saja yang betul-betul you boleh be produktif in a day. Okay? And that 2 hours tu yang sebenarnya bagi your effects. 80% of your result tu come from that 2 hours. So apa yang I buat dekat sini, every single day, I tak fokus untuk I kerja 8 jam sehari. I tak pernah kerja 8 jam sehari. Siapa yang betul-betul pernah 8 jam buat call straight away? Sejujur-jujurnya, ada tak siapa-siapa yang betul 8 jam dia pergi face to face? Tak ada kan? You need time to makan, you need time to rest. So every day I just focus on at least 2 hours a day. So 2 hours a day ni equivalent to 4% of your time. Daripada 24 hours tu, 2 hours is equivalent to 4%. So what you need to do is, you need to focus only to this 4% saja every single day. And kenapa 4% saja? Okay, this is the thing yang I read from Brian Tracy punya book lah. Dia cakap, kita punya energy ni, kita punya energy level ni, kita tak boleh nak ada the same energy level for 8 hours, tak ada. Kita punya momentum ni, kita boleh sustain only a very minimal period of time. So the moment you want to do prospecting, you just focus on these 2 hours. I off my data, I off my handphone, and I focus on these 2 hours. Kalau I nak buat call, I off my data, I off my WhatsApp punya ni, and I do call calling 2 hours straight every day. So I just focus on that. Kalau I keluar pagi, I nak buat call calling, I buat 10 to 12, dah cukup. So kalau macam pagi I ada appointment, I focus on petang, I just buat from 4 to 6, cukup. Itu saja. But I buat every day. So the rest tu memang, okay, you boleh fokus on you nak pergi jumpa downline. Okay, you nak boleh fokus on you nak pergi lunch, you nak jumpa your sideline ke, nak borak ke. But the rest is unproductive. Sebab Apa yang I cuba sampai kat sini, what is the meaning of productive is when you do prospecting. So that 2 hours is, kalau you balik without doing this 2 hours punya effort ni, maknanya you balik, your day is meaningless. Meaning to say, kalau you kerja makan gaji, you pergi, you tak buat apa-apa. So sama juga kat this business, kalau you pergi keluar, I akan balik, kalau I tak buat, I tak fokus on that 2 hours tu, I agak hari ni I tak wujud. Sebab this is considered my unproductive in the day.
I will run, I will climb,
So boleh
I
tak
will
cuba cakap kawan kiri kanan tu cakap be productive.
jumping out of my skin.